Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beignets in your air fryer. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need 1 cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar to activate your yeast. Let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Then, combine your dry ingredients and mix them with the yeast mixture. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, ready for its first rise. Once your dough is kneaded, place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. It should double in size, showing the yeast is working perfectly. Next, roll out the risen dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Then, using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the dough into 2-inch by 2-inch squares, preparing them for the air fryer. Now for the exciting part, air frying. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush each beignet square with a little melted butter or oil. This helps them get that beautiful golden color. Place the beignets in a single layer in your air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. Air fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, flipping them halfway through for perfectly even cooking. Once your beignets are golden brown and puffed up, carefully remove them from the air fryer. The key to perfect beignets is to dust them generously with powdered sugar while they are still warm. This ensures the sugar adheres beautifully. Serve these delightful treats immediately for the best flavor and texture. They make a wonderful breakfast item or a sweet snack. Enjoy your homemade air fryer beignets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.